This question seems more complicated than number 4 because it's, got like, a more in-depth graph, I guess, an XY plane, we got a parabola. They even use the word x-intercept, so that's a little scary. It sounds a little too mathematical, but this is just as easy as the last one. Literally just look. So in this case, where does it cross the x-axis? That's by definition what an intercept is. So where does it cross the x-axis? At this point, and that's clearly 7. Right? Between 6 and 8. So that's it. That's the whole thing. The only thing that maybe we could do wrong, and I don't even think it applies to this question, is if for some reason this parabola kind of like was wider, I'll use different color here, like if it was wider and there was like a y-intercept, I could see someone confusing those out of kind of like, just not paying attention and maybe confusing x and y, or maybe because they normally do ask for the y-intercept and not the x-intercept. So I could see that mistake, but that isn't even here because that doesn't happen with this particular parabola. So just overall, regardless of this question, make sure you understand what an x-intercept is, what a y-intercept is. These are fundamental ideas to mathematics, and they come up a lot on the SAT, so we really need to be comfortable kind of finding them on graphs, understanding what they mean, and not confusing them.